These are letters. There are 26 of them. Each one has a capital and lowercase. Each one has its own sound. A sounds like A and A. B sounds like B. C sounds like K and S. D sounds like D. E sounds like E and E. F sounds like F. G sounds like G and J. H sounds like H. I sounds like I and I. J sounds like J. K sounds like K. L sounds like L. M sounds like M. N sounds like N. O sounds like O and Ah. P sounds like P. Q sounds like Qu. R sounds like R. S sounds like S. T sounds like T. U sounds like U and V sounds like V. W sounds like W. X sounds like X. Y sounds like Y. Z sounds like Z. I'm so glad you're here with me. Now let's learn our ABCs. These are the capital letters: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Are you ready to learn your letters? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Are you ready to learn your lowercase letters? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Capital A,
Lowercase a.
capital B,
lowercase v,
capital C,
lowercase c,
capital D,
lowercase d,
capital E,
lowercase e,
capital F,
lowercase f,
capital G,
lowercase g,
capital H,
lowercase h,
capital I,
lowercase I,
capital J,
lowercase j,
capital K,
lowercase k,
capital L,
lowercase l,
capital M,
lowercase m,
capital N,
lowercase n,
capital O,
lowercase o,
capital P,
lowercase p,
capital Q,
lowercase q,
capital R,
lowercase r,
capital S,
lowercase s,
capital T,
lowercase t,
capital U,
lowercase u,
capital V,
lowercase v,
capital W,
lowercase w,
capital X,
lowercase x,
capital Y,
lowercase y,
capital Z,
lowercase z,